Struggling with limited shelf space and disorganized storage? Flexcon's warehouse bins offer an economical and efficient storage solution. Made from durable, lightweight corrugated plastic, our warehouse bins ship flat, saving up to 80% on freight costs and are quick to assemble. Easily stackable, they optimize space whether on shelves, pallet racks, or directly on the warehouse floor. Flexcon's warehouse bins are available in over 60 standard sizes and various colors, with customizable configurations and materials including ESD safe and fire retardant. Optional dividers and bottom plates enhance storage organization and capacity, while RFID tags, barcodes, and labels allow for easy identification and precise inventory tracking. Ideal for small to medium-sized products, they are perfect for retail, e-commerce, and manufacturing applications. Designed for businesses of all sizes, Flexcon's warehouse bins continue to improve overall operational efficiency and reduce storage costs. Contact Flexcon at 908-871-7000 for custom solutions tailored to your needs. Thank you.